Cancer happens when our DNA mutates and abnormal cells like these grow unchecked. Mapping the mutations that drive cancer is already happening, but for the first time it will be offered to huge numbers of patients. Who will carry out the sequencing and analysis over the next 5 years hasn't been worked out, but the Prime Minister, on a visit to Cambridge where the structure of DNA was discovered, said the project had the potential to transform cancer treatment.
We want to crack cancer, and the DNA database can help us to do that. But we also want to keep Britain at the absolute forefront of biotechnology, of pharmaceutical industry. We can be a real-world leader in this.
At the heart of each human cell is a bundle of tightly packed DNA, wound in the spiral shape of a double helix, which contains our genetic blueprint, our genome. There are 3 billion pairs of chemical code. By comparing mutations in the cancer cells of thousands of patients, scientists will be able to look for patterns and find out why some patients respond to treatment better than others. It should mean more targeted therapies and perhaps help in the hunt for new treatments.
Being able to say to the lady in front of us in the clinic, we know from the barcode in your cancer that you will respond to this treatment but not to this treatment. And that is a very important aim, because we have treatments that work for some of our patients, but we really need to have tests that really can choose the right treatment for the right person at the right time.
Mass genome testing is possible only because of the dramatic fall in the cost of DNA mapping, from around £100 million a decade ago to between £5,000 and £10,000 today. And scientists predict it will fall to perhaps £100 in a matter of years. The genetic information in these test tubes is highly personal, so the DNA project will be voluntary and the information anonymised to protect privacy. Cancer specialists know they're battling a complex and highly resistant disease, and improved long-term survival is more likely than outright cures. There are more than 200 types of cancer. Most of the benefits from this ambitious project are likely to come in 20 to 30 years' time among the next generation of patients. Fergus Walsh, BBC News.